Yesterday I was rehearsing, just after I got off the plane, I was rehearsing in the sanctuary here. And I was talking to, am I allowed to say this, Stephen? I was talking to Stephen Rabinovitz, the concert chairman, the co-concert chairman, the co-chairman of the concert. And I was saying to him that I wanted to sing something really lively and light instead of the number that I had originally chosen. And I said I was going to sing something called Eshet Chayil, a woman of valor. And I mentioned to him, I said, men spend their lives searching for an Eshet Chayil, for a woman of valor, and very difficult to find. And he said to me, it was really beautiful. Have you met my wife? This is also like Eshet Chayil.
Eshet Chayil mitzah, merachot mipimim bicha, v'achadei b'hala, v'shala lo yatzah. Eshet Chayil mitzah, merachot mipimim bicha, v'achadei b'hala, v'shala lo yatzah. Eshet Chayil mitzah, berachot mipini